Hi everyone, my name is Wasim Mirabi. I'm the CEO for Verofax Limited, and we're here to show you how we address the credit scoring using alternative data. The problem that we have actually identified is that SMB face harsh rejection from the banks, and the interest offered to them is around 24%, which is 4 times the rates paid by corporates. And the reason for that, the real problem for that, is the legacy credit scoring system, which pushes the SMBs to be requested to have collaterals and provide transparency or visibility that is not possible to them. And the only solution for that is to have a digital transformation for the small and medium businesses, in order for all of that data to be then processed, mined using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and that would actually provide the banks with the right visibility and create that partnership between them. And that's exactly what we've set up to do. So we have operations today. We are 11 people. We have very strong technical team as well, business team. We're already deploying in Malaysia and in UAE this year, and we look forward to actually helping Bahrain to become part of the hubs for the global SMB funding. So in summary, what we deliver is alternative data mined by AI machine learning engines, allowing for SMBs to transform their business within a matter of 30 days and team up with the banks. And we have our solutions digitally native sitting on Oracle, Microsoft, and Ant Group on the blockchain. That could create a long-term relationship of dynamic financing and allow the banks to actually have the right credit decisioning. And we would offer that as a service to them. If we wanted to visualize the data, current Z-score report shows, the history of payments, which is the transactions. We add to that the life cycle, the product, as well as the real-time feedback from a consumer perspective, and we combine that into a report. But not a report that is a snapshot, it's a perpetual view of data to allow for that dynamic relationship. My bank was set up, which is part of the Ant Group in China, and our partner actually on the technology. They've set up 4 years back. Today, in 2020, they are giving out $282 billion to the SMEs. They're setting 10 million women entrepreneur as a KPI. The loans take 3 minutes for decisioning, 0 human being, and they enjoy 1% default rate. And that's what we're trying to create in this part of the world. Look at all the product data as well as the consumer data in order to provide the banks with better credit decisioning tool. I'll pass on to Jamil, my co-founder.
Hi, everyone. So ultimately, what we're trying to do is unlock potentially $1.5 trillion in SME lending through the use of alternate data and AI and machine learning. We do that by empowering banks and lending institutions to fast-track transformation by using also our teams, our expertise in AI and ML, our partnerships, and to accelerate that transformation and drive SME mobility through the ranks. We have our marketing strategy split between targeting SMEs through digital channels and then with resellers as well, and then direct marketing straight to banks and lending institutions. Our roadmap is quite aggressive. We're finalizing development, and we're finalizing partner engagement at the moment. We launch in Malaysia in a month and the UAE by end of this year. We have a plan to launch in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain and a few markets in Southeast Asia. And then in year 3, we're expanding the sectors that we're targeting, and then expanding geographically after that. Our business model is quite healthy. We are profitable in year 2 and with a 58% margin in year 4. And then our ask as well is $1 million. We're raising $1 million at this stage against 20% equity. I hope you help us make Bahrain the hub for SME lending. Thank you.